Imagine a car that stops instantly when it detects an obstacle and prevents accidents. This is an automatic braking system that demonstrates a crucial safety mechanism in vehicles. Let's get started. For this project, we will need an Arduino UNO board, an IR sensor, a 5V 1-channel relay module, one DC geared motor with a wheel, one lithium ion battery and holder, some jumper wires, a USB cable. Let's fire everything up. First, connect the IR sensor to the Arduino. Attach the VCC pin of the IR sensor to the 5V pin on the Arduino. Connect the GND pin of the IR sensor to the GND pin on the Arduino. Finally, wire the out pin of the IR sensor to digital pin D2 on the Arduino. Next, let's connect the relay module. Connect the VCC pin of the relay to the 5V pin on the Arduino. Attach the GND pin of the relay to the GND pin on the Arduino. Wire the signal, that is IN pin of the relay to digital pin D3 on the Arduino. Now let's set up the DC motor and battery. Connect one terminal of the motor to the NO, that is normally open pin of the relay. The other terminal of the motor goes to the common pin of the relay. Also connect the positive terminal of the battery holder to the NO pin of the relay and the negative terminal of the battery holder to the COM pin of the relay. Make sure to double check your connection with the circuit diagram. Now download the code and library files given in the description below. Open the code file in the Arduino IDE. We start by defining the pins connected to the components. IR_sensor_pin is set to pin 2, where the IR sensor is connected. Relay_pin is set to pin 3, where the relay module is connected. Next, in the setup function, we use serial.begin 9600 to initialize the serial monitoring for debugging. This will help us see what's happening in the code. We configure the IR sensor pin as an input using pin mode IR_sensor_pin, input because it will detect obstacles. We configure the relay pin as an output using pin mode relay_pin, output because it controls the motor. Finally, we set the relay to low to keep the motor on initially and print a message to the serial monitor that the system is initialized. The loop function is where the magic happens. We start by reading the IR sensor's value using digital read IR_sensor_pin and store it in the IR sensor value variable. Next, we use an if condition to check if the IR sensor detects an object. If IR sensor value is high, the motor is turned off by setting the relay to high using digital write relay_pin, high. A message is printed to the serial monitor object detected -motor off. If no object is detected, the relay is set to low to keep the motor on, and another message is printed no object detected -motor on. Lastly, we added delay 100 for stability, so the system updates every 100 milliseconds. And that's it. Now connect the Arduino UNO to your computer using the USB cable for uploading the code. Select port and board in the same menu and select Arduino UNO. Now click on the upload button. Alright, we have completed the wiring and the coding. Now paste the circuit over some cardboard as shown. Power the Arduino. Here how it works. When the IR sensor detects an obstacle, it sends a high signal to the Arduino. The Arduino then triggers the relay to cut off power to the motor and effectively stopping it. When no obstacle is detected, the IR sensor sends a low signal and the motor stays on. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching our tutorial.